To schedule always on display, so it will auto enable at a specific time in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap always on display. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select show as schedule as the display mode for your always on display. To change the schedule, tap set schedule. Set the start time or the time you like your phone to enable always on display automatically. As the example, we will set it to 9 a.m. Next, tap end. Then set the end time or the time you like your phone to disable always on display automatically. As the example, we will set it to 5 p.m. To save the change, tap done button. By choosing this option, now your phone will automatically enable always on display at scheduled time. As we have set the schedule from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the clock in this phone shows 3 to 10 a.m. As you can see, when the screen is off, always on display will be shown automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.